Forget hotel irons. The Newbealer Clip Steamer keeps you sharp anywhere with universal voltage that works worldwide. It's not just a steamer, it's a 3-in-1 powerhouse. Clip mode presses collars and hems without a board. Steam mode refreshes fabrics and removes odors. And dry iron mode handles quick touch-ups. The best part? A 180-degree swivel head that makes cuffs and tricky edges effortless. Stronger than most travel steamers, yet compact enough to toss in your bag. This is wrinkle-free style anywhere you go. Tiny screens kill the vibe. Whether it's gaming or movies, you miss half the experience. The Sentinel XR gaming glasses change that with a massive 180-inch cinematic display that travels with you. Built for gamers, they pack 1080p Full HD optics, 120Hz refresh, and 1 millisecond response time. So every frame is sharp. No ghosting, no lag. At just 80 grams, they're lighter than your phone and work seamlessly with your favorite devices, even boosting your Nintendo Switch with bigger visuals, higher FPS, and longer battery life. Most keyboards look cool, but they wreck your wrists. The Zyth flips the script, a wireless split keyboard built for comfort, speed, and pure flexibility. Each half connects independently, so you can place them exactly where your hands feel natural. That means less wrist strain, better posture, and way more productivity. With Bluetooth 5.0, hot swappable switches, OLED displays, and RGB underglow, Zyth isn't just ergonomic, it's customizable to the core. The 58-key curved layout with extra thumb keys follows your hand's natural movement. Programmers, gamers, writers. If you spend hours typing, Zyth keeps you comfortable while boosting your speed by up to 20%. Most screens look sharp until you see the Gouvis Lite. With a record-breaking 53 pixels per degree, 9 times denser than an iPhone 12 Pro. It packs 2.1 million pixels into a display smaller than your fingertip. The result? Pure edge-to-edge clarity. Unlike bulky headsets with distortion, Gouvis uses high-precision optics for true colors and razor-sharp detail. And with a 600-inch virtual screen, anywhere becomes your personal theater. Stream wirelessly with dual-band tech or plug in with HDMI and Type-C. Lightweight, portable, and insanely immersive, the Gouvis Lite takes big screen viewing to the next level. Revopoint POP. High-precision 3D scanners usually cost a fortune. Or worse, they're clunky, hard to use, and not even accurate enough for real design work. That's where the Revopoint POP 3D scanner changes everything. This pocket-sized powerhouse delivers industrial-level accuracy, down to 0.3 millimeters, using safe binocular structured light. No harsh lasers, no risk, just vivid, lifelike 3D models ready for printing. Scan however you want, freehand, fixed, or even human scanning. From a 6-foot statue to a detailed face or even pets, POP captures every detail without stress. Affordable, easy, and insanely precise. The Revopoint POP makes professional 3D scanning finally accessible. Coup Kit. Ever notice your phone heating up mid-game or during a long video call? That heat kills performance, drains your battery, and can even damage components. Enter the Coup Kit, a MagSafe accessory that snaps on, cools down, and charges up all at once. With a powerful fan spinning up to 9,000 RPM and a tech freezer chip, Coup Kit drops your phone's temperature while keeping it wirelessly charged. Flip the switch and choose cooling, charging, or both together in auto mode, where power dynamically adjusts to keep your phone stable. Quiet, efficient, and even doubling as a phone stand, Coup Kit keeps lag away, battery life longer, and your gaming buttery smooth. Steam Deck Dock. Most docks just get the job done, but this 6-in-1 docking station takes your Steam Deck to a whole new level. We're talking 4K at 144 Hz HDMI, 2.1, 100-watt fast charging, and 10 gigabits per second data transfer, all packed into a lightweight, pocket-sized hub. Plug in and enjoy buttery smooth, cinema-like gameplay on the big screen, while your deck charges without a hitch. With 2 USB-A 3.2 ports, 1 USB-C 3.2, and a gigabit Ethernet port, you get the speed and stability serious gamers demand. Weighing just 145 grams, it slips into your bag and goes anywhere. For Steam Deck, ROG Ally, Legion Go, and more, this dock means faster transfers, cleaner setups, and pure uninterrupted gaming. HighDo P1. Missing key details in calls or meetings? The HighDo P1 makes sure that never happens again. It's the first AI-powered voice recorder that works with Bluetooth earphones, so you can capture crystal clear audio anywhere, even in noisy spaces. With 3 smart modes, call mode for conversations, room mode for meetings, and whisper mode for personal notes, it adapts to any situation. The built-in AI instantly transcribes in 75+ languages, identifies speakers, and even generates industry-specific summaries. Weighing just 80 grams, it's compact, portable, and subscription-free with lifetime unlimited transcriptions. Meetings, notes, or calls, the HighDo P1 keeps everything organized, clear, and ready when you need it. Chargeek 170 power banks are usually boring bricks, but not the Chargeek 170. Inspired by Dark Side of the Moon, this transparent prism is both a design statement and a charging beast. With 170-watt output and 140-watt input, it blasts from 0 to 50% in just 20 minutes, thanks to PD 3.1 fast charging. Need to power more? Its 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A ports let you charge up to 3 devices at once, still delivering up to 65 watts fast charge on a single port. A smart display keeps you updated with real-time power, performance, and safety alerts. Style meets serious power. The Chargeek 170 is the charger that actually looks as good as it performs. Why juggle multiple machines when the M7 Pro does it all? This all-in-one UV laser engraver handles everything, from flat surfaces to layered carvings, even mind-blowing 3D crystal engravings. Its UV laser penetrates inside K9 crystal to etch designs that look like they're floating in midair, perfect for trophies, keepsakes, or one-of-a-kind gifts. On wood, leather, and other materials, layered carving adds real depth and texture, turning logos, portraits, and maps into tactile works of art. From metal and acrylic to bamboo and beyond, the M7 Pro delivers crisp, high-contrast engravings with zero post-processing. Fast, precise, and versatile, it's your all-in-one engraving powerhouse. Icarow forget tiny speakers and awkward setups. The Icarow break. X1 turns any hangout into a full-blown concert. This all-in-one karaoke machine packs a 13.3-inch touchscreen, so you can stream YouTube, pick songs, and see lyrics without ever touching your phone. With dual tweeters, a 6.5-inch woofer, and 460 watts of power, it delivers booming bass and crisp highs indoors or outdoors. 2 wireless mics charge themselves, last up to 30 hours, and give every duet its spotlight. Add in 9 connection options, LED lights, built-in effects, and a portable design with 6-hour battery life. The Break X1 isn't just a karaoke machine, it's the life of the party. What if your camera could just fly itself? Meet the HoverAir X1, the pocket-sized aerial cam that takes your shots to the next level. No pilot skills needed. With intelligent flight paths, it locks onto the subject and captures every angle flawlessly. Its triple stabilization system and smart vision algorithms keep footage buttery smooth, even in tricky conditions. Shooting in 2.7K HDR with burst mode, it delivers stunning detail, while the VIO positioning system ensures precise tracking outdoors. Lightweight, foldable, and app-connected, it's built for adventures, with real-time previews and instant sharing. The HoverAir X1 isn't just a camera, it's your personal flying photographer. Aux Thunder. Regular speakers just don't cut it for gaming. You need to feel the action. That's where the Aux Thunder steps in. a gaming sound system with true Dolby Atmos 7.1.2 for full 3D surround sound. With 10 precision drivers, a built-in subwoofer, and even up-firing speakers, you'll hear every footstep, explosion, and detail from 9 different directions. Add the satellite neck speaker with 2 more audio channels behind you, and suddenly you're right in the middle of the game. Soft, comfortable, and rocking 5.8 gig ultra-low latency, it works seamlessly with PS5, Xbox, and PC, complete with game modes for FPS, racing, and more. The aux S Thunder isn't just sound, it's total immersion. Luna Petbot. What if your kid's new best friend wasn't a pet, but a robot? Meet Luna Petbot, the playful AI companion that brings endless fun and learning into your home. Luna isn't just smart, she's expressive, with lifelike emotions and interactive games like bullfighting or Follow the Leader that keep kids laughing every day. She adapts to your child's habits, sparking curiosity and encouraging growth while staying totally mess-free. Powered by a quad-core CPU, 720p camera, and 2 GB of RAM, Luna runs smooth and fast, all inside a compact, lightweight design with USB-C charging. It's not just a robot, it's family. Logitech MX. Creative editing, designing, creating. Why waste time digging through menus when you can control everything at your fingertips? Meet the Logitech MX Creative Console, the all-in-one workflow booster built for creators. The MX keypad puts tools and shortcuts on a customizable LCD display, while the aluminum dial pad gives you smooth, precise adjustments with every turn. Seamlessly integrated with apps like Photoshop and Lightroom, it adapts to your workflow instantly. With up to 15 shortcut pages per app via Logi Options Plus, it's fully customizable to fit the way you work. From editing photos to crafting designs, the MX Creative Console turns shortcuts into mastery. Samzer's big, clunky keyboards don't belong in your bag. The Samzer's foldable keyboard gives you a full-size typing experience in a sleek, palm-sized design that folds flat in seconds. With quiet scissor switch keys and a seamless metal hinge, it feels just like your desktop keyboard, but portable. Connect up to 3 devices at once with Bluetooth 5.1 and switch instantly between your laptop, tablet, or phone. A multi-touch trackpad means no need for a mouse, and the 7-color backlight keeps you working day or night. Plus, with up to 110 hours of battery life, it's perfect for trips, work, or everyday carry. Acer Spatial Labs. Flat videos don't always tell the full story. The Acer Spatial Labs Eyes camera adds real depth to your content with 8 megapixels per eye resolution, giving you stunning 3D images and videos anywhere. Its selfie mirror, weatherproof design, and electronic image stabilization make shooting simple, while autofocus keeps things sharp. Want more control? Switch to manual mode and fine-tune ISO, white balance, and shutter speed like a pro. But it's not just for recording. You can even stream or video call in 3D, bringing conversations to life with incredible depth. Ronx music is meant to be heard, but what if you could see it too? The Ronx is an RGB rhythmic light that turns your favorite tracks into a stunning light show. Handcrafted with a modern design, it syncs seamlessly with any genre, from chill classical to bass-heavy beats, translating every rhythm into flowing waves of color. Perfect for a quiet evening or a lively party, it adapts to your vibe instantly. With full customization, you control the spectrum's rhythm, speed, and intensity, creating a personalized visual experience that makes every song feel alive. For audiophiles and design lovers alike, the Ronx S is where music meets art. Visual X streaming shouldn't tie you down, and with Visual X, your entertainment is always within reach. Kick back on the couch and wirelessly stream shows with Miracast or DLNA, or head off-grid with up to 1 terabyte of movies, games, and music stored right on a TF card. No Wi-Fi needed. But it's more than a media player. With OpenXR support, Visual X works across a wide range of VR platforms, so you can dive into 3 Degree of Freedom games, 360-degree videos, and interactive experiences without being stuck in one ecosystem. From binge-watching with friends to immersive VR, Visual X makes entertainment limitless. DockCase. Why carry separate hubs and drives when one device does it all? Meet DockCase, the portable hub with a built-in SSD enclosure that keeps your storage and connections in one sleek setup. Compatible with 2230 and 2242 SSDs, it delivers blazing USB 3.2 Gen 2 speeds up to 1000 megabytes per second, perfect for heavy files and fast workflows. A built-in touchscreen gives you fingertip control over fan speed, data protection, and more. With SSD health monitoring, instant alerts, and a read-only mode to safeguard sensitive files, your data stays secure. Add in 4K at 120 Hz output, multiple connections, and portable design, and DockCase becomes your ultimate work and travel hub. MagStand Kit Forget Bulky Tripods. The MagStand Selfie Stick Tripod is powered by MagSafe and built for creators who want sleek design without compromise. Snap your phone on, hit record, and you're ready to turn everyday moments into cinematic reels. With a patented tripod design, premium aluminum alloy, and anti-slip pads, it opens in seconds and locks down steady for rock-solid shots. A Bluetooth remote gives you hands-free control up to 33 feet, perfect for landscapes, vlogs, or action shots. And when the lights go down, the built-in Halo Glow LED ring with 40 bulbs and adjustable color temperatures keeps your videos bright and natural. Compact, stylish, and powerful, MagStand is creativity made simple. Mag sleeve water bottle? Check. Phone, keys, earbuds? Nowhere to put them. Pockets are bulky, armbands are uncomfortable, and the gym floor? Don't even think about it. That's where the mag sleeve comes in. The world's first magnetic water bottle sleeve that holds your smartphone and essentials right where you need them. Powered by N52 neodymium magnets, it securely snaps your phone, earbuds, or keys to your bottle, keeping them clean, organized, and always within reach. And when it's time to capture your workout, just mount your phone and record from any angle. At the gym, outdoors, or on the go, MagSleeve keeps you hydrated, hands-free, and ready to move. CookTech. Big power, small size? Meet the CookTech number 10, the compact power bank that delivers a massive 100-watt output for laptops, 30 watts for iPhones, and 45 watts for Samsung devices. Fast, reliable charging anywhere you go. Its color TFT smart display keeps you in control with real-time voltage, current, and battery stats, while rapid self-charging hits 55% in just 15 minutes, enough to fully juice an iPhone 15. Compatible with all major fast-charging protocols and protected by 9 safety layers inside a fire-resistant shell, it's both powerful and secure. Weighing only 10 ounces, the number 10 slips into your bag like an energy bar, but packs the punch of a charging station.